Hi guys, in today's video we are going to teach you a highly effective technique and highly relevant in real life situation. If someone grabs you from the behind in a street fight and applies a master lock, how can you defend yourself in that situation? Now we are going to teach you a highly practical and realistic technique to deal with this scenario. After watching, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments. So let's start the technique. If you are standing like this or you get into a fight and someone suddenly grabs you from the behind and applies a master lock, this is a very critical situation. One of the biggest mistakes people often make here, people try to push themselves downward to escape. However, if the attacker is stronger and has applied a right lock from behind, you would not be able to bend down or escape that away. So what should you actually do in this situation? When he tries to lift you upward, and you need to react immediately. Push your body upward with force and at the same time drive your weight downward to create resistance. Next position, your leg behind the attacker's leg as you can see in the video. This will start to break his balance out. Now grab his one leg firmly with both hands. Now keeping your head safely and control and roll forward. This will cause the attacker to lose balance and fall down with you. Immediately lock his leg with your both feet. As you apply pressure, it will create too much pain. And if you use more force, he will release you immediately. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side. Yes, when you grab, step number one, down, two, up, three, keep your leg back. Now lock his leg, down, go, yes, and look, this. This. Guys, now I will show you this technique, real situation. He will resist and I will apply this technique. So let's try it will work or not. Yes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more practical self-defense techniques. Stay safe, stay strong. See you in the next video. Thank you.